If you have ever stayed at CAT LRDI set for 15 minutes, drawn 3 different tables and realized none of them work, and then question your basic intelligence, welcome to CAT Prep. Every year, LRDI shatters more confidence than Quant and VRC combined. But it feels impossible not because you lack the IQ for it, but because you are treating it like a math test. Today, we are going to break down exactly why LRDI paralyzes you in the beginning and exact Cracku resources and you can use to revive your brain and start seeing the hidden patterns. Now, let's see the reason number 1, the void of formulas. In quant, if you see a time, speed and distance problem, your brain instantly pulls up a formula, right? Even if the math is hard, you know how to start it. But in LRDI gives you no roadmap. There is no formula for 4 different people wearing different color hats and the guy in the blue hat hates Tuesday. You have to build a structure from the scratch every single time. Your brain hates this ambiguity. It takes massive cognitivity energy to figure out what the variables are. Reason number 2 is psychological. It's sunk cost trap. In quant, if you don't know the question, you skip it after like 60 seconds. In LRDI, you might invest 8 minutes mapping out the matrix only to find out contradiction in the last clue. And suddenly you have burned out quarter of your sectional with 0 marks to show for it. The fear of that dead end makes you hesitant. You start reading clues defensively, second guessing your tables before you even draw them. So how do we fix this? First, stop trying to solve the set immediately and start focusing on condition mapping. LRDI is the test of data organization. Find the most constant variable who has the most rules attached to them and start there. Most importantly, build your mental library. Like a CAT topper can crack a set in 8 minutes because they have solved 300 sets before the exam day. They aren't looking a new puzzle. They are looking a 3D Venn diagram disguised as a tournament bracket. To help you build that mental library, we have put everything you need right here on the Cracku channel. First, hit the link on the description to watch the CAT 2026 LRDI attempt strategy video by Maruti sir. Sir breaks down his exact mindset and approach as a 5-time 100 percentiler. It will completely change how you attack a set. Second, start grinding. We have a Cracku CAT DLR playlist with over 100 free DLR practice sets. Do one a day. Map the conditions and watch the video solution to see how to build the tables. And if you log down your foundations in other sections, our CAT 2026 preparation video playlist has complete lectures for everything. The first 50 sets, you will feel like walking through mud. By set 150, you will be jogging. So check on the links below, keep mapping and keep pushing. You've got this. If this video helped you, share it to someone who's afraid of LRDI and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more information and content video like this.